Welcome to InfoTrends Office Document Technology Week in Review, the weekly InfoTrends video infocast on news and events from around the world. My name is Randy Dazzo, Director of Solutions and Services, and this week we'll be talking about the news from the week ending August 19th, 2011. This week's stories include HP's new strategic announcements, new scanners, Toshiba and Lexmark fleet management software, HP multi-supplier integration services, Fujitsu cloud services, Amazon Cloud for the government, and ViewSonic's new tablet. But first, let's talk about late-breaking announcements from HP last week. Leo Apotheker, HP's CEO and president, made it clear in their Q3 earnings call last week that he intends to continue aggressively pursuing the enterprise services and software business. Mr. Apotheker announced 3 bold moves, including HP confirms that it's in the discussions with Autonomy regarding the possible offer for the company. HP's board of directors has authorized the exploration of strategic alternatives for its Personal Systems Group, or PSG. And HP will discontinue operations of WebOS devices. More on the HP announcements later on. In other news, Canon USA, Inc. introduced the Image Formula DRC-125 document scanner. The DRC-125 scanner features face-up feeding with top feeding and top eject in an upright design, resulting in a small operational footprint. Delivering color, black and white, and grayscale scan speeds of up to 25 pages per minute or 50 images per minute, the DRC-125 scanner can scan both sides of a document in a single pass. The DRC-125 comes bundled with the new Canon Capture On Touch software, featuring a redesigned GUI for improved usability. It can also route scanned images directly to cloud applications such as Evernote and Microsoft SharePoint. In other scanner news, Lexmark International, Inc. introduced the Lexmark 6500E MFP option, a modular scanner that delivers advanced scanning and workflow capabilities to enterprise customers in paper-intensive output environments. The new scanner add-on links to the company's T650, T652, and T654 monochrome laser printers, adding a solutions framework and full multifunction capability to this family of printing devices. Up next, we have Deborah Hawkins, Senior Consultant, to talk about services news. Deborah?
Thanks, Randy. This week in services, we see 3 announcements. Firstly, Toshiba using the Lexmark Fleet Manager software. Secondly, HP reports on their multi-supplier integration service. And thirdly, Xerox winning the MPS deal at Cisco. So to the first announcement. Toshiba America Business Solutions announced the availability of Lexmark's Fleet Manager 2.0 software. The Lexmark Fleet Manager software enables Toshiba's channel partners the management of network and locally attached devices to help service providers automate device management tasks, create and monitor service tickets, schedule maintenance events, streamline supplies ordering, and quantify total costs of printing from small to medium-sized businesses. The software is integrated with billing and other systems to provide a full solution for service providers. Lexmark Fleet Manager is an addition to Toshiba's Managed Print Services strategy and can be utilized with Toshiba's Encompass. Secondly, on August 15th, HP introduced the Multi-Supplier Integration Service to help enterprises and governments gain control of multi-vendor service environments, improving overall IT performance and quality while optimizing costs. Most enterprises combine services and technologies from multiple providers to deliver services to their end users. These multi-vendor delivery models challenge IT leadership to ensure efficient workflow, timely problem resolution, and adequate service level performance. As a single point of contact, the HP MSI service encourages supplier collaboration, rapid problem resolution, and workflow process improvements. In the event of a service interruption, the MSI service provides diagnostics, accountability, and restoration of services. MSI will be delivered through HP's global IT service delivery system. The HP MSI is expected to be available worldwide on August the 31st. And thirdly, Cisco has chosen Xerox for a global MPS engagement. On August 17th, Xerox Corporation announced that the company will manage global print operations across more than 460 Cisco offices, making printing services accessible to employees working from different locations, using a variety of desktop and mobile devices. As part of a new managed print services strategy, Xerox will provide the Cisco's workforce with different ways to produce and manage documents, seeking to improve the efficiency of the print environment by 20%. Using the Xerox Enterprise Print Services platform to support a new cloud-based mobile print solution, Cisco will allow employees to securely print from any device, anytime, anywhere, without downloading software, mapping to a printer, or booting up their laptops. To meet corporate objectives for efficiency and cost control, Cisco will also use Xerox's print governance tools, automated pop-up guidelines on the computer screen to direct users to the best printing option based on price, energy efficiency, and ink consumption. Security is also a top priority for Cisco's MPS strategy, since many documents often involve sensitive financial or business information. To keep confidential documents secure, employees will swipe their badge to pick up print projects. Back to you, Randy.
Thanks, Deborah. Next, we have Shelley Ortelt, research analyst with InfoTrends, to talk about cloud and mobile news. Shelley?
Thanks, Randy. Fujitsu launched a new service on August 12th called APM Modernization Services for Cloud, which offers an array of services to help customers transition their business systems to the cloud. With the new service, Fujitsu will work with the customers to enhance their existing systems and gradually employ the cloud along with other software packages. Pricing for the cloud service is customized based upon the services rendered by the customer. Also on August 12th, Acer announced the availability of the Iconia tab line of tablets in the United States and Canada. The 7-inch screen displays social networking sites, photos, movies, music, games, and more. Additional apps can be downloaded from the Android marketplace. The tablet also comes pre-installed with Adobe Flash Player 10.3 and can be connected to a TV via its HDMI port. Prices start at about $330 and is available in the U.S. retail stores and will be available in Canada next month. Last Monday, ViewSonic also announced its Windows and Google Android dual OS tablet called the ViewPad 10 Pro. Users can switch between Windows 7 operating system and Android 2.3 by tapping on the respective icons. With its multi-touch panel, users can enjoy full HD video playback and internet browsing. The ViewPad 10 Pro has 2 GB of integrated memory, Wi-Fi, and a built-in front camera. The tablet will be widely available late August. Wednesday last week, Best Buy told HP to take back their unsold touchpads. According to Information Week, Best Buy has received 270,000 touchpads from HP, but has only sold 25,000 of them. With disappointing sales performance, Best Buy wants the tablets out of their inventory system. HP, however, is asking Best Buy to be patient and hold on to them and hopes consumers will be more likely to purchase the tablet with promotional and bundle deals. Lastly, Amazon Web Services released a new offering called GovCloud, designed for the federal government last Wednesday. According to the New York Times, GovCloud meets government regulations when deploying new infrastructure because it's accessible by U.S. people only and features a high level of security for all data. Because the government plans on reducing its data center footprint by 38% by 2015, Amazon hopes to play a significant role in government adoption of cloud services. Amazon offers a variety of pricing options to meet the needs of governmental budget concerns. Back to you, Randy.
Thanks, Shelley. And now back to the HP announcement news on autonomy, the spin-off of HP's Personal Systems Group, and the discontinuing of WebOS devices. Any of these announcements made separately from HP could have caused their shareholders to react differently, but as a whole provided a much stronger message to the strategic direction to transform HP for the future into enterprise services. Now, this was the first big announcement from Leo Apothecary, HP's newest CEO and president, and it was important for him to set expectations for the company, its customers, and its shareholders. HP's exit of the PC business is a significant and tough announcement since PSG is approximately 1/3 of HP's revenues. However, it has the lowest earnings margin at around 6%. HP's exit from PC strongly states to its investors and organization that it's not just interested in big revenues, and that it's more interested in strong growth and profitability for the company. We also heard from Shelley Ortelt about HP's poor performance on their touchpad WebOS devices. Now, Autonomy has been successful creating solutions that manage and analyze content and data. HP's acquisition of Autonomy also greatly strengthens their position in the growing market for marketing automation, cross-media platform technology, services, and social media, a big gap in HP's current solutions portfolio. Now, the story here is about creating the right ecosystems for the right markets. The ecosystem is not just about services either. It is a combination of services accompanied by state-of-the-art hardware and also software. In addition, IBM still generates a significant amount of revenues from their server hardware business, and it's an important piece of their enterprise services system that they have created. On the other hand, for Apple, their hardware has made a significant impact on the industry, but has been their combination of services, iTunes, and software, music, content apps, and hardware that's really made them successful. Google's plan to purchase Motorola Mobility, seemingly for their IP, is based on having better control over their ecosystem and participating in the full set of revenues and profits from devices, software, and services. Now here's a story that hardware is not dead. For HP, this new direction is better focused with all the right elements of high-value hardware, servers and storage, software, and services to build and manage enterprise business, knowledge, and marketing systems. It's how HP will integrate its new acquisitions with IPG hardware, which are the MFPs with document workflow and document management solutions, and its production printers with multi-channel communications, along with its other hardware business of services and storage, that will demonstrate their strength and ability to deliver the right ecosystems to the enterprise market in a timely manner. This is Randy Dazzo with This Week in Review.